Hi guys, the point of this video today is going to be uh, how to cover scars and cuts without wearing long sleeves. And this first tip it kind of goes against this video, but you can wear long sleeves, just make sure they're not thick material like this sweater. It's not very thick, even though it's a sweater. It's not very thick, and as you can see, it's really big on me, so it kind of covers everything. But, yeah, uh, you can use bracelets. Like, I can't use bracelets because my wrists are very small. Like, it would come down and stuff. So, sorry about that. I hit my elbow on the table. um, you can also use, like, tattoo sleeves. That works because they're tattoo sleeves and they cover pretty much everything. What I mainly do is I write over them. I write over the scars and I write over the cuts. Well, I wouldn't recommend you writing over the cuts because, especially if you're using Sharpie, because that can irritate it and that can make it more noticeable. So, if you want to, you can just wear a jacket all day. I mean, you'd get hot, but but yeah, you can wear a jacket all day if you want to. Just be careful. Yeah. I also kind of want to get across that what it really means to open up. Well, I gotta say this, I opened up today, and it was one of the hardest things I've ever done. I mean, it's really hard for me to open up to anybody, even my therapist, who I've known for over a year now. And it's really hard for me to open up to my mom, because she's my mom, and we're not like best friends or anything. So, I mean, we should tell each other everything, but we don't. The only one person that I do really open up to is my best friend. That's Tiffany, or Angel, however you know her. Yeah. So stay strong, and we will be here